Today, you will learn how to fix line breaks in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's understand what a line break actually is. A line break happens when Word decides to move your text to the next line. Sometimes this is automatic, which is normal, but other times it happens because of hidden formatting that you may not even see. So the first thing you should always do when fixing this issue is to turn on formatting marks so you can actually see what's going on behind the scenes. To do that, go to the Home tab and click on the little paragraph symbol. Once you click it, you'll start seeing dots, arrows, and symbols in your document. These are invisible formatting marks, and they will help you identify the problem. Now, if you see a small arrow pointing down and left at the end of a line, that means there is a manual line break. This usually happens when someone presses Shift and Enter instead of just Enter. These breaks can cause your text to behave strangely. To fix this, simply place your cursor next to that symbol and press Backspace or Delete. This will remove the manual line break and allow Word to handle the text normally. Another common issue is when there are too many paragraph breaks. These look like the paragraph symbol. If you press Enter multiple times, you create multiple paragraphs, which adds extra spacing and pushes text down unnecessarily. To fix this, just delete the extra paragraph marks until your spacing looks normal again. Sometimes the issue is not breaks, but alignment or spacing settings. For example, if your text is set to justified alignment, it might stretch across the page in a way that looks like broken lines. You can fix this by selecting your text and choosing Left Align from the toolbar. Also, check line spacing by selecting your text, then go into line and paragraph spacing and choosing a simple option like 1.0 or 1.15 for clean and consistent formatting. Another hidden cause can be page layout settings. If your margins are too small or too large, or if there are columns enabled, your text may wrap in unexpected ways. Go to the Layout tab and check margins and columns to make sure everything is set to normal. There is also something called Word Wrap, which is normally enabled by default. This ensures that text automatically moves to the next line when it reaches the end of the page. If for some reason your text is not wrapping properly, it might be inside a text box or table. In that case, click inside the box or table and adjust its size or settings so the text can flow naturally. If your document came from somewhere else, like copied from a website or another file, it might contain messy formatting. A very easy fix is to select all your text and click Clear All Formatting in the Home tab. This resets everything to a clean state, and then you can reapply simple formatting. You can also use Find and Replace to fix line break issues quickly. Press Ctrl-H, then in the Find box, you can insert special characters like manual line breaks and replace them with spaces or paragraph marks depending on what you need. This is especially useful if your document has a lot of formatting problems. Another related issue beginners face is page breaks. Sometimes text suddenly jumps to the next page. If you see a page break line when formatting marks are on, you can simply delete it to bring the text back up. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Microsoft Word tutorials like this.